You are not stuck. You are not confused. You're not unlucky. You are undecided. And that one thing, indecision, quietly keeps the people in same place for years. People think they have a motivation problem. They need more confidence, more clarity, or more time. But what they actually need is a decision. Because the moment you truly decide something, everything changes. A real decision is not saying, I'll try. It's not saying, let's see how it goes. The word decision comes from the Latin word decidere, which means to cut off, other options, to remove escape route, to stop negotiating from yourself. When you truly decide something, you don't say, I hope this will work. You say, I will make this work. And that shift is powerful. Why most people avoid deciding is because deciding is uncomfortable. You risk being wrong. You have to take responsibility. And you loses the comfort of excuses. Indecision feels safe. When you don't fully commit yourself to something, you can always say, it wasn't the right time, I wasn't sure, or I will start later. But here is the truth, indecision protects your ego while destroying your confidence. Every time you avoid deciding something or fully committing to something, you tell yourself that you don't trust yourself. And self trust is everything. While you hesitate, opportunities move, other people act, and time passes anyway. Indecision drains your energy because your mind stays in a constant negotiation mode. Should I? What if? Maybe later. And that mental back and forth is exhausting. But when you decide something, something powerful happens. The question changes from can I do this to how will I do this? And that shift creates momentum. If you feel stuck, try this. Step 1, define the exact outcome you want. Be specific. Step 2, ask yourself the cost of not deciding. What will staying the same will cost you in 1 year or 5 years? Step 3, remove the escape routes. Stop saying, I will try. Start saying, I will. Step 4, take immediate action, even the small one, because action creates clarity. Your life doesn't change when you hope, it changes when you decide. Every decisive action you take sends a message to yourself that I'm someone who acts. And the more evidence you collect of this identity, it will become stronger. So ask yourself honestly, what decision I have been postponing and what would happen if I stop negotiating with myself and fully commit to that decision. Because you're not stuck, you're just one decision away.